This is Yona Nigambo's house at Ongwediva village. The house corrugated iron sheets were blown off by the wind. 3 structures which were under construction were also affected by the wind. The wind affected neighboring areas at Ongwediva village, where it caused destruction to 6 houses and 2 others at Oikango number 1. George Hambuda, Victoria Hamunjebo, Bernard Mateus, and Elizabeth Kanana had their houses' roofs blown off, boundary walls destroyed, and structures damaged. Luckily, nobody was hurt in the process. Benjamin Kapula was at home when the wind started blowing heavily at around 9 o'clock in the evening.
The wind was so strong, it caused serious damage. Now we have to start over to construct the damaged rooms, which will not be easy.
Ongwediva constituency councillor Andrea Sutoni is calling on individuals and business people to assist the affected families to rebuild their houses.
This is a natural disaster whereby the cause of the damage is Mother Nature. Therefore, there is no way you can approach Mother Nature and say, please compensate the victims. However, it's a loss. It's a loss to the residents. It's a great, most especially the residents who find themselves at the rural villages. They have really tried their best to come up with those properties. Now to rebuild this property to take them a lot. What we are saying, we are just asking the good Samaritan, most especially our businessmen and women, to come forth. We know the economical situation is very hard to each and everyone, but we need to do something as residents, as citizens, to assist those who have been damaged. And
Utoni used the opportunity to call on parents not to leave children alone at home when it's windy to ensure that they are safe. Tonateni Stila, NBC News, Ongwediva.